Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gear. Today we will show you how to replace the front camera on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Check the description for tools, parts and accessories. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Next, remove the two bottom screws using pentalobe screwdriver. Next, heat the screen edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. If not, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to lift the screen slightly. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the screen. Insert a plastic car pry tool and cut the adhesive around the edges. Take your time and be careful. Once the screen is free, open it from right to left. Do not pull. Cables are still connected. Next, remove the shield by undoing 8 screws. Be especially careful with the top screw near the sensor plug and take care when lifting the shield. Gently slide it downwards. Next, disconnect the battery plug and then disconnect the display and sensor cables. Now remove the screen from the body. Next, remove the faulty front camera. First, undo two screws securing the earpiece speaker and gently remove it from the body. Next, disconnect the two plugs to remove the not working front camera from the body. Next, align and secure the new front camera by connecting the two plugs. Next, secure the earpiece speaker by adding two screws. Before reassembly, clean all adhesive from the frame. Next, Apply the pre-cut water seal adhesive to the frame. Please note that this adhesive does not guarantee full water resistance. Next, reconnect the sensor and display cables, and then reconnect the battery plug. Next, turn on the phone for testing. Next, install the shield and secure it by adding 8 screws. Finally, install the screen. Align the top edge first, then gently press it into place. Work your way around the sides and bottom, applying even pressure around the edges to ensure proper seal. Next, install the two bottom screws. And that's it. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.